Meet Sam and Max. Both get their first paycheck. Sam decides to save. Max spends right away. Sam saves a little every month. Max enjoys buying things on impulse. Sam's money grows over time. Max's money disappears fast. Sam dreams of big goals. Max worries about money later. Sam handles expenses easily. Max struggles when money runs out. Sam's savings grow with interest. Max borrows when funds are low. Savings provide a safety net. No savings lead to trouble. Sam enjoys peace of mind. Max is caught off guard by emergencies. Sam can afford fun without worry. Max misses out on opportunities. Sam can help others too. Max can't spare extra money. Good habits inspire others. Bad habits keep him stuck. Savings build confidence. Spending without saving causes stress. Sam's organized and prepared. Max feels trapped by debts. Saving creates long-term gains. Spending without limits leads to regret. Savings empowers smart choices. Spending can keep you stuck in the cycle. Saving buys peace of mind. Spending causes uncertainty. Savings help you grow. Spending without savings shrinks your power. Save today for a better tomorrow. It's never too late to start saving. Choose saving over reckless spending. Your money, your future. Save smart.